Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star, not in today's newspaper of Saturday, October the 15th, 2022. Told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles in the Saturday newspaper. No, it's the edition of Friday. Yes, Friday, October the 14th, 2022. I've already solved 2 puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. Yes, Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 5335. 5335, yes. 5335. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because it's indicated for 1 star. It's indicated for 1 star. So I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this really is a 1-star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, always a 1. There, single box, always a 1. Dual box, do we see here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes here. Quadro boxes then. I see here the quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 4 and 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be reserved for the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a quadra box. I cannot fill those numbers. Here another quadra box. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. It's a 4. Alright. Here also this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Alright, do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More. Here, another one. Wow, a lot of those shapes. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Yeah, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 of them. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. We have a double 1 here and a double 2 there. That means that those two boxes can be a 2 and those two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1. It should be there. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there in this quarter box. 2 numbers are left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 4 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here, so it can't be a 4 anymore. So the only place left for the 4 in this cross area should be here. These two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. If I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it's not the solution to place the 3 here. The only place left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then. Let me see. Let me think. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 2 and 1. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Alright. Well, let me think. Think. 2, 3, 4, 1, and I'm stuck. Well, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. But I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise we have a double 1 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 5, can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. For the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2 are left. The 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 1, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 1. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 2. Let me mark those, 5 and the 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 5 and the 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5, it should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3, and this, 2. Correction, we already have a 3 here. 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in the squash area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow, yes, tomorrow on Sunday. Well, we have the other 3 puzzles in the Tuesday edition. And maybe if I have the spare time, also the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.